Good morning, students. Now we will start our first project on MIT App Inventor. To access MIT App Inventor online, just open any web browser. I will open Mozilla Firefox. Then type in address bar google.com. It will open Google web page. After when Google search engine has been opened, type here MIT App Inventor 2. Then press enter. Within few seconds, all suggestions of MIT App Inventor 2 will be displayed on your computer screen. Just click on MIT App Inventor. Within few seconds, your MIT App Inventor web page has been opened. When the web page has been opened, then click on Create Apps tab. A new Firefox window has been opened. When you click on the MIT App Inventor link, Google page has been opened and it will ask you about the login. Enter your login and password of Gmail account. Now our MIT App Inventor web page has been opened. Click on Start New Project. Create New App Inventor project window has been opened. Write the name of your project which you want to give. And after that, click on OK. Within few seconds, now click at vertical alignment, arrange horizontal, make it to center 3, align vertical, make it to center 2. After that, click on image button, adjust the properties of image, Upload the picture. Click on picture and upload file. Locate your picture file from your computer. It will open dialog box and select file which you want to upload. I have selected koala, and after that open. Click on OK, and here you find the file has been uploaded, koala jpg like. Then adjust height and width of the picture. Click on height, fill parent, and click on OK. Same thing has been happened in width. Click on OK. After that, click on text button and after that rename it. Write the new name of the button. I write here magic. And after that click on OK. Now change the font size. Change the font size up to 20. Shape to be rounded. After that, text for the button, write here magic. After that, change the background color. Change the text color which you want to show in your text. I selected white. See the preview. It not looks better, so we can change the color. We can make it red. Just show the preview. Okay. Now change the height. Fill parent. Okay. Width also change, fill parent. Okay. Now change the height up to 10% and click on OK. After that, uncheck the visible. It will make invisible the photo. Sorry, it is for text, but we click on image. After that, uncheck visible. Your photo has been disappeared. After that, we move to the second part of the programming. We move to block section. Block section has been opened. just click on image button. No, just click on magic button. Drag when magic click do in the workspace. After that, click on image, locate locate image visible, set image visible to. It is wrong, I picked, so I delete. Image visible to. Okay, and click on the blank space. Click on the blank space of the viewer window. Right here, type here true, and click on the drop down. Set true up to set image visible to. Now your coding has been completed. Just check your coding. Download MIT App Inventor in your mobile phone. After this step, download MIT App Inventor 2 in your mobile phone and open it. It will prompt you about the QR code. Connect with QR code. You can find QR code from Connect AI Companion. It will display the QR code. Either you can type code MNHNXY manually, or you can scan it with MIT App Inventor app in your mobile phone. Within few seconds, your QR code has been scanned by MIT App Inventor in your mobile phone and show processing. Your image has been showed to you in your mobile phone. Thank you.